Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? We are making a recipe that is not from like a cookbook that I have. I am going to try my hand today at making those really fancy Japanese souffle pancakes. Wow, fancy. Dude, they look so fancy. The specific recipe that I'll be using today is from just one cookbook, which I have linked down below if you want to be able to try and follow the recipe as well. Here are like the things that I need, which is not a lot, but guess what? Oh my gosh, okay. So on the specific recipe, it has it in sections. So the sections are making the whipped cream, mix the batter, make the meringue, fold in the meringue, and cooking. This entire page is cooking the pancake. I feel like I'm gonna mess this up. I even wrote like really tiny to like get it all on here. It took forever to write down, but I hope I don't mess it up. This is all we're gonna be doing. So hopefully it's easy. I don't know. Whenever I was writing it all down, I was just like, oh God, this is a lot. This is a lot. And what if like it ends up getting stuck? I don't know. Part of the thing is like if I mess with it while it's not ready to be flipped, it will crack in the middle, and I don't know, I just hope I don't mess it up. So, and plus I've always wanted to try it. So I mean, like, why not? This is like the perfect time, right? I don't know. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna be trying to make a Japanese souffle pancake, and I hope I make it look aesthetically pleasing. Honestly, the general goal is to just make it to the end, and hopefully it's not the worst, because I'm also craving something sweet today, so I mean. But let's see how difficult this is to get. Maybe it won't be difficult at all. It is currently 1:42 p.m. Let's go get everything all gathered, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, and here are all of the ingredients. It doesn't seem too bad. I really look at these. Oh my God, blueberries and strawberries. Oh my gosh, exciting. Wow. So now that we have everything all gathered, let's go ahead and see what we have to do. It's so much. This is gonna be, I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna mess it up, but how? I don't know, it's fancy. You have to be like gentle with it and not burn things. I burn things all the time. So, I don't know. I'm feeling positive as always. Let's see how it turns out. I'm sure it's gonna work out better than the cake. I don't know, hope. I mean, there is no coffee involved, so we're already ahead of the game. I mean, if I end up messing it up, it's still gonna be a pancake regardless, and I'll be able to eat it, so. And the taste will be good, I'm sure. I don't know, I've got so many fruits and stuff. Well, it's only 2 fruits, but still. I don't know, I'm feeling hopeful. We'll see how it goes. To make the fresh whipped cream, prepare an ice bath. Add half a cup heavy whipping cream and half tablespoon sugar to the medium bowl. Whisk on high speed until medium to firm peaks form. The cream should not be runny, but soft, fluffy, and firm instead. Keep the whipped cream chilled until ready. Second time's the charm. I failed the first time. Mix the batter. Separate 2 large eggs into whites and yolks in 2 different bowls. Put the bowl with the egg whites in the freezer for 15 minutes. That's crazy. Not really crazy, it's different. Add 1.5 teaspoons whole milk and a 1/4 teaspoon pure vanilla extract to the egg yolk and whisk using a hand whisk until thick and frothy. Sift a 1/4 cup cake flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder into the bowl. Whisk to combine thoroughly, do not overmix. Set aside while you make the meringue. After 15 minutes, take out the bowl with the egg whites from the freezer. I think I need a bigger bowl. Start beating the egg whites with a hand mixer. I broke my hand mixer. When the eggs turn white and frothy, gradually add in the 2 tablespoons of sugar, roughly 1/3 of it at a time. Then increase the mixer speed to a high and beat vigorously until stiff peaks form. Should be glossy. Heat a frying pan to 300 degrees Fahrenheit over the lowest heat. Brush with 1 tablespoon neutral oil and lightly remove any visible oil with a paper towel. Keep pan on low heat while you fold in the egg white and meringue into the egg yolk mixture in the next step. Take 1/3 of the egg white and add to egg mixture, whisk together by hand. Take half of the remaining meringue and add to egg yolk mixture. Using a hand whisk, gently fold them in without breaking the air bubbles in the egg whites. Transfer egg yolk mix back into the bowl with the remaining meringue and batter. Very gently fill two mixtures together, taking care not to deflate the air bubbles in the meringue, and batter as you fold. Mix batter very gently until well combined and homogeneous. Homunculus. Cooking the pancake. For the first pancake, place 1 scoop of batter and make a tall mound in the frying pan using a small ladle or a serving spoon. Make a tall mound. I don't even think I put it in a good spot. I'll get a little taller since I'm using a smaller spoon. It's not being tall mound. It's going sideways. I don't think I did this right. Next, stack one already in the pan. Repeat for the next 2 pancakes, giving each pancake 2 scoops of batter. I don't think this is going well at all. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I don't think I am. I don't think I'm doing this right. Is it because my spoon's too small? Ooh, the rest of it before I panic. By the time all 3 pancakes have 2 scoops, the surface of the batter is slightly dry already. It is a little dry. At this point, you can mound 1 more scoop on top of each pancake, keeping the batter piled up high in the bowl. You should still have roughly 3 scoops left. Oh my god, I miss. Oh boy. Oh brother. Set the timer for 6 to 7 minutes and add 1 tablespoon of the 2 tablespoon water in 3 empty spaces inside the pan. I messed it up, but whatever. It touched. After 2 minutes, open lid. Alright, so I super misunderstood the instructions and I also forgot that I didn't have enough aluminum foil to make a lid. So this is a fail. We're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna raise the heat. I don't even know how well this is gonna work out. I'm just gonna leave as is and let's see what happens. It has been so long, but there's no lid, so I'm sure the time like doubles. But then I'm like, I'm not sure, because it still comes off like that, so I've lost the plot, and now everything's falling apart. Okay, balls to the wall, I think it's good enough for me to try and flip it. As you can see, I tried to flip it before. It's not working out. I don't even know how to make pancakes anymore, dude. I just don't. What the hell do I even do? I don't even have the proper spatula. See, I'm so stressed out from this. And it's still coming up! It's cool, I'm cool. I think it might be burnt to the crisp. No, because like, there's so many things going wrong. Like, how? Like, do you see that? So it's not getting cooked evenly. This was a big task for Elmo. No W's, only L's. And a kitty cat. Alright, so we made it worse. And I know what you're thinking. Sarah, how could you possibly made it worse? Well, this side over here isn't very cooked. I think I cracked the bottom of this one, so we're gonna find out together. So I just need this one to cook a little bit more. I'm gonna get a pan with a lid after this. Pour it up. Like, that looks kind of cooked, kind of. Okay, maybe not. That's not working out, dude. It's just not. I just want to, like, pick it up, but then that would burn, and that would be a little psychotic. But, like, I keep taking off a little bit, trying to flip it, because it's like, I don't even know. I give up. I want to see what it looks like. I'm just gonna turn it. Okay. Let's see how bad this goes. Oh my god, it went so bad. Fuck it. Okay, well, I think this is actually the final end. I'm just gonna now, I don't even know what to do with this. I'm committing. I don't care. What do I even do with this? It's been so long. It's taking like twice the amount of time. It's taking like twice the amount of time. It looks like eggs. I'm not cut out for this, I don't think. Anyway, I'm just gonna let it cook now. I think it's safe to say that this is just not gonna work out. I don't know how I made it worse. Actually, I do know, because I made it worse. Like, it looks like eggs, but it tastes like not eggs. But it has eggs. Egg. Look, it's cooking. I'm just gonna make it into a square. Can I make it into a rectangle? So, on the very, very low chance the Just One Cookbook lady sees this, I'm sorry. Everybody else who is watching this, hope you found this entertaining because I was crashing out, bro. I flipped it over without recording, and here we are. Did I flip it too early? There are no rules anymore. What are rules for? Breaking them! Was it on purpose? No. Now it's balls to the wall. Chop it out, like, you know how you see in the hibachi. Oh shit. It made noises. Hold on, let me flip back over. Ah! Okay, I was playing too much now. It's time to flip. Oh. Okay, can I flatten it? No rules, no rules. I can like pick it up and eat. Ah! Never mind, it still needs to cook. Damn fine. I did turn up the heat. I was getting impatient. I'm not sure when done is supposed to be, but you know, since I'm making the rules, I say it's done. It smells good. All right, and here's the reveal. I can't. Oh my god. At least the presentation looks okay. It's a little raw on the inside.
I like it, but I like things more chewy.
Are you saying you like it because I had a bad time? Oh, okay.
I don't like any of that.
Yeah, I figured. He doesn't like fruit. I couldn't take it anymore. I didn't want to wait anymore. If I get sick from eating like a little raw, I'll take it. I'm over it. I think it's safe to say that didn't go well at all. Several things have went wrong. I don't know if you can tell, a little bit of a different angle throughout the thing. My thing broke. My like little stand that I had, so I had to get a new one. The thing that, like the most crucial part of this, the lid, I thought I had enough aluminum foil. I didn't. I didn't at all, actually. It was like a little tiny bit left, so that didn't work out. What else? Oh, I dropped whipped cream in my sweater. And it's the next day. Yeah. We still made it to the end, though. Am I happy with the result? No, I am not. Am I happy I tried it? No! Maybe a little bit. I gave it a shot. I might need to get a new pan. I didn't think it was gonna go well with this pan, so... I'm so over it. I'm so done with it. I'm glad I cleaned throughout the process, or else I'd be in a bad mood, baby. But oh well, I made it to the end. Can you tell? I'm having such a great time. Do you guys like the single? Oh well. I mean, sometimes they just don't go well. Honestly, this might be the worst one that I have done thus far. And I think my top 3 bad ones might be the crepe, the bread, and this. But this is definitely the one that has made me very frustrated. But that's okay. I made it to the end. We gave it a shot. I have a few things I need to add on my to-buy list. So, I mean, and you guys got to see me try, so... Would you guys try making this? Do you think it would go better for you? I mean, I don't want anyone to feel discouraged on trying to make it. You saw all the things that went wrong on this, so... all you gotta do is just not do that. I got you. I guess that's all I got for y'all today. It's cool. It's cool. Maybe I'll try making this again next time. I need to retry making the bread too. I want to remake the whole tamago sando with the bread and everything, but I don't know. That was pretty bad too. Oh man. But practice makes perfect. Rome wasn't built in a day. We just gotta keep trying and learn from our mistakes. Will I learn from these mistakes? I certainly hope so, because I was not happy. I was not having a pleasant time at all. As soon as I realized there was no lid, I was like, you know, when things go wrong, no? Do you guys have any cooking fails? Do you have like, I know it's not like fun to go through. It's not. I'm not in the best mood. I mean, we still made it through to the end. I also didn't have a hand mixer because it broke on the chocolate cake video. That's another thing. Oh my god. But I honestly, the most important part is I kept going. I cried. How much? In between a little and a lot. So that's up for you to decide. I mean, I'm here to just show you guys how it went. And this is how it went. But anyway, what did you guys think of this video? Please do me this solid. Like the video, leave a comment. But if you're gonna say something to me, I'll cry. Or maybe I won't. Mind games. No, I think I'm just being a little delusional right now. I don't know. I'm in between like, and like, no, you know, no. Anyway, not all of the Scuff series goes this bad. So, who knows? Maybe the next one that I'm gonna make is gonna go fantastic. Also, this is going to be a piece of cake. The past few times that I have made a pun where it's talking about how it's gonna go, it's cursed, dude. It's cursed. That's 3 times. 3 times too many. Actually, it might just be the 2 times. I don't know. I don't remember, but it's happened more than once. I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Or not, or whatever. I don't know. You're the boss of yourself. Bye! I'm not sure when done is supposed to be, but you know, since I'm making the rules, I say it's done. It smells good.